Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rory Anam Zafri, and today I will present to you about my scientific work about innovation of environmental friendly air filtering device based on wet scrubber principles. Before that, there is a table of contents, introduction, data analysis and result, and last summary and recommendation. Islamic value. From Al-A'raf verse 56, do not cause the damage to the earth after it has been properly arranged. Pray to him with fear and hope. Indeed, Allah's mercy is very close to those who do good. Introduction. Background of the problem. Air quality is getting worse than before. Every year it's getting worse than before. Pollution that causes bad air quality is mostly produced in factories. One of the machine that some factory use is wet scrubber. However, wet scrubber are very expensive. Lime water reacts with several dangerous pollutants. In grade 8, me and my friend have some experiment in biology about lime water. So we see the reaction lime wat- with lime water with the carbon dioxide that we exhale. And last, I decided to build a simple machine based on wet scrubber principles. You that make that probably make you thinking, Brady, how do you make this complex machine into a simple and cheaper? The main item that I will use for this machine is the item that we use every day, a gallon. Problem statement. What tools are used to build a simple wet scrubber? The main item that I will use is a gallon. Why? Because the shape is almost similar with the real wet scrubber. How effective is a simple wet scrubber in reducing pollutant levels, especially particulate smokes from simple combustion exhaust gases? How do variants in type of cleaning solution, plain water versus lime water, affect the pollutant filtration performance of simple wet scrubber? Research objective. Learn about the tool used to build a simple wet scrubber. Determine the effectiveness of a simple gallon size wet scrubber in filtering pollutants from exhaust gases. And last, analyze the effect of varying cleaning solution on pollutant absorption capacity. Research method. This experiment used an experimental method. I will conduct an experiment by designing a simple machine or tool, a wet scrubber, like a simple wet scrubber. I will test whether a wet scrubber, or we can say here, simple and mini wet scrubber can filter pollution by channeling pollutant air through it. Now the research. These are tools and materials. First, use gallon jug. Second, water pump. One set of water installation system, PVC hose and rubber hose. For water mister, hand drill bit, grinding bit, marker, adapter, cable, bucket, power outlet, mini blower, pipe can be replaced with other tools. And the material are lime, approximately 2 liter of water, and last pollutant source. These are step by step. First, prepare all the items and the material, and then connect the water pump into the adapter, connect the water mist into rubber hose, and connect the rubber hose that already connect to water mist into the water pump, and connect the PVC hose into the water pump, and then drill some holes for water mist and for a mini blower, and then fill a bucket with approximately 2 liter of water, and then put a PVC hose into a bucket full of water and put the water mist into the hole that we already drill, and then put the mini blower to the hole that we already drilled to, and then we connect the cable of water pump and the mini blower into the socket, and then prepare for the source of pollution. Here I use a coconut shell and paper and fire, and turn on the machine, the water pump, and the mini blower, and the rest are the machine work. After you use the normal water, change it into lime water and see the differences. Data from experiment. There are two fluids, normal water and lime water or calcium hydroxide. Use watercolor. Normal water brown, slightly black, but lime water are cloudy and grayish. Smell of the smoke. Normal water still a slightly smell, but lime water doesn't smell much. Reaction. Normal water, there isn't any reaction, but lime water have some reaction with the pollutant. That proof of lime water is slightly better than the normal water. Conclusion: the experiment was successful. The machine that made to filter a pollution with same principle as wet scrubber is working just like the real machine. However, this simple and cheaper version of wet scrubber cannot fully filter a pollution behind it, even though lime water can slightly make a difference with his reaction with some pollutant. Recommendation: based on my experience building this machine, my advice is to avoid procrastination. What is procrastination? Is delaying your work. This machine involves many steps and quite complex, so you don't want to delay this work because it's gonna be so hard. And don't forget to wear a safety equipment, just like mask or a pair of glasses for safety reason. And that's a wrap. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.